there will come a moment when you look around and realize that the life you once knew doesn't fit anymore. The people, the routines, the dreams you once chased, they all feel distant, and it hurts, because no one tells you that growth often feels like grief. But listen, you're not broken, you're changing. And that's the most natural thing in the world. Remember when you were a kid and you were growing and you had these growth pains. It's the same thing basically. You are allowed to begin again. You are allowed to walk away from the noise. You are allowed to rest, to rebuild slowly, in your own time. To not know where you are heading. It's a beautiful feeling. That is real freedom. But trust that you're still moving forward anyway. There is no rule that says you must have everything figured out. No such person exists in the world that has everything figured out. There's no timeline you're supposed to follow. Even the earth takes seasons to bloom again. And you are no different. As a child of this earth, it is exactly your rhythm as well. Don't be afraid. Embrace this change, embrace this challenge, embrace this movement. When the world becomes heavy, let it fall from your shoulders for a while. You've carried enough. And sometimes healing isn't about doing more, it's about doing less. It's sitting in silence long enough to hear your own heartbeat again. It is remembering that peace doesn't come from fixing everything. It comes from forgiving yourself for not being able to, from learning to let go. There's beauty in beginning again, in realizing that endings aren't punishments, they're invitations. Invitations to return to yourself, to walk lighter, to speak kinder, to live slower. You are not the person you were a year ago, a month ago, or even yesterday. And that is natural. It's supposed to be that way. When you begin again, you will notice that the things you once chased no longer matter as much, or the people that you changed aren't longer interesting for you, because what you are building now comes from truth and not fear. The relationships that stay will feel softer, the dreams you choose will feel lighter, and the peace you find, it will finally feel like home. You see, in life, in your life, just breathe. You made it through everything until now. You made it through everything you thought would break you, but you are still here. And that means you can begin again, as many times as you wish. This is Dare to Do Motivation. Thank you so much for watching, and stay blessed.